Adidas is now selling Yeezys not approved by Ye himself.
Not only are they putting out fake colorways that are non-approved, they're also not paying me for these shoes that they're putting out that have my name on it.
Will you still buy them even though Kanye said if you're a true fan of his, you won't actually buy this product? And will we see a Yeezy Day of 2024 with all these announcements upcoming? Before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It does help me a lot. Our first fake Yeezy is the Yeezy 350 Steel Gray. There's a raffle loaded for these right now and they drop on February 29th. The raffle ends at 10:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and make sure you follow these steps so you don't get stuck spending $230 because you got to be safe here. Adidas is changing the way they're moving. Now keep in mind, for these products on Adidas and Yeezys, there are no returns, no exchanges. They want to sell this, they got to pay off those debts. So just know if you are buying these to wear, always go up a half a size minimum on 350s because they fit very, very tight. Now, these have also been claimed to be Adidas exclusive, so they won't be at any of your local retailers. And Adidas just seems to get worse and worse now when you enter the raffle. So if you enter today, when you're watching this video, they take the full $230 out of your account just to hold. That's almost like a loan for Adidas. And they mentioned that you may not get the raffle refund back for up to 14 days. That right there makes me want to stay so far away from anything Adidas is doing, let alone that they're not even authorized by Kanye, the maker himself. Now they can hold my money for almost 14 days or even more. That's almost a no-go. Now, with that being said, you are more than welcome to enter still. I recommend you put it on a credit card. If not, those funds are going to be away from you for quite some time. And yes, they will return your money. It's just you're tying up a lot of funds for so long. They have to send you a product if you actually win. If you don't win, you get that money back. And unlike last year and every other raffle that Adidas has done, they usually only take money out if you actually win the raffle, which just makes sense, right? It just makes sense. I have no clue why they decided to go to this take your money now. Like, Adidas, why are you doing this? This is going to make the sales even worse, and it's just not going to work. I think this will stop a lot of people from even entering these raffles. And the 350 Steel Gray is the only one we're going to see in February. Now, coming into March, we do have a full list of Yeezys. I'm not sure if these are claimed to be fake Yeezys as well, but I'm sure Kanye will keep us up to date on his social media. With the Ye drama, all the dates for these that are dropping may change. Now, this may cause a bunch of ruckus with Kanye and Adidas because it feels like they've been going back and forth for years now, so who knows what's going to happen. So starting in March, we should see 3 sets of slides. We are getting Slate Gray, Salt, and Dark Onyx. I personally think the Salts will do the best out of all 3 of these releasing. That nice bright tone really gives me summer and spring vibes. I think the ladies are going to absolutely love them. So if you're looking to buy slides just off the performance base, I think Salt will be your best one. Now, the Slate Grays look exactly like the ones we saw in 2023, so if you do have pairs of these Slate Grays, just a heads up, it looks like they're stocking more of them. And then the Dark Onyx. The Dark Onyx is basically the exact same thing as the Onyxes from what, 2 years ago now? So they just keep remaking more and more models of the same thing, which is kind of upsetting and kind of concerning when it comes to that aftermarket. Another thing that does concern me on this, how are they going to fit? What factory did they get them from this time? We know over the last like 3 or 4 years, Yeezy sizing has been all over the place. I've had some where I've had to size up, some where I size down, some are true to size. So I'm worried about the sizing for this too. I don't want to tell you guys what sizes to go because I don't know what they're going to be like coming from whatever factories they are being produced in. And with all the slides being produced, I did have a bunch in my closet, but I did dump my pairs simply because of this news. And as we get more and more, if they're going to make the same ones we bought last year, it does make me worry for that aftermarket price. Now on to foam runners. We should be seeing another carbon model, which looks the same as last year, and the MX Granite. The MX Granite actually looks so good and super, super wearable. And typically these MX colorways tend to do well on that aftermarket. So if you're looking just to buy to resell, I would go with MX Granite out of the 2 foam runners. Overall, foam runners usually move pretty well. I know the last ones took a long time to go up, and it's probably going to take even longer now that we have more hitting the market. These also make me worry about sizing because we've seen foam runners fit a little bit different as well. And you guys know within slides and foam runners, there's only full sizes, so you can't go in between. So there's no 10.5, 11.5, and so on. So just know that it's full sizes only. We should see 2 Yeezy 500s as well, Stone Salt and Stone Toe. Those are the only 2 that are listed so far. This could change and more could be added to this list. Personally, for me, I'm gonna pass on all 500s, but I do know a lot of people like them. Adidas really plans to push these models being left over from last year because they have to pay off these debts. We do know we saw a lot of these talked about last year, then they took that few months off of selling, and now they're back in 2024. Now, with Kanye claiming these are all fake, I think this is going to cause a big fiasco and a big ruckus, like I said earlier in today's video, within the sneaker industry and the sneaker world between Adidas and Kanye. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if we're going to end up seeing a Yeezy Day because, you know, they probably still have a bunch of stock because they need to sell it like we've seen before. They are in a lot of debt with all these Yeezy products. But I'm really curious to see what ends up happening. Let me know down below your predictions, what's going to happen between Adidas and Kanye. We were hoping maybe this relationship would get better, but it looks like it just keeps getting worse. And and worse and worse. So that's a little update on what's going on with Yeezys. Now I'm gonna keep you guys up to date, exact drop times, exact timing, and the best things you can do to hit these for retail. Don't worry, I'll have videos for you, I'll have live streams as well. As always, all I ask, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, it does mean a lot, and if you want to leave a comment, it does help the videos even more. But guys, that's it for today's video, and good luck on grabbing these fake Yeezys. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here, peace.